Hi everyone, welcome back once again to another video of OSINT in VIEH group. So today the topic of discussion is reverse image search. So usually what does we do whenever we get an image, either we go on Google or reverse image. Okay, so this is very common platform where we come up with the images and we get to know exactly the options where the image is coming from, right? The origin that we might get from this platform. But sometime we have very limited websites, we have very limited resources to do some sort of reverse image search. So what we can do, another approach for this thing is archive, okay, archive search. So this is what we have, the platform archive wayback machine. So this is sometimes very bulky to search an image on this platform. So what to do in this specific situation? So in this video I will just tell you about the website, okay, where you can dig out about automate archive search, okay, wayback. You can automate the wayback machine search. Okay, how to do that stuff I'll just tell you in this video. So there is a very common website, not common but pretty famous in the OSINT community. So this is actually a website which is called root about. So there are two sections, search by image and search by advanced search, right? Where you will set the preset if you want to move out, if you want to rotate the image, everything you can do. Okay, what you want to search, where you want to search. Okay, the first thing, if you want to search on Google, you need to click it here. Okay, and things will be uploaded. Okay, as I have gone through the image which was uploaded here, so it will just take out and search on Google. Sometimes you will not get some sort of information. So as on my result, you can see there is nothing found on this image. So this is pretty common in case of Google reverse search. So what you do now, how to do search if you need to investigate a deep something in some image sort of things. So here they have two options, internet archive and open library. Just set the preset whatever you want. I set it 98%. Okay, if you want to load whatever you want. If you want to load any image that you want to do the reverse image search, click here load file, then you can select any file from your folders, any image from your folders. Now how to do, filter out how much search result you want. In my case I'll be clicking on 5. Okay, so let's proceed with the internet archive. Okay, so it will just search out the things from wayback machine. I will show you the result here. So here you can see this is showing exactly the review. Okay, result 1, Aldrin next to the solar wind experiment, right? So here you can get, like, this is the preview name, GPN 20001211, and this is something which is somehow related, it's related to NASA. This is the strongest match that they can have, and this is what exactly the image is all about. Okay, it's what Apollo 11, which was, I guess, which was a moon mission by NASA, is what set to fake, but doesn't matter, it's not the priority that we're discussing. So you can see here the another this link from where you get to know. So this is how you can use this platform, and this is something which is going to help a lot. So if you want to search on open library, again the same situation, click out here. If something will be there, you will get, like in my case, nothing is available as comparison to this image on open library, so you might not getting some information. So just give it a try, okay, how this platform, and just let me know in the comment box if you got to learn something new from this video. So thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day. Jai Hind.